Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
After a recession, economies typically enter a recovery phase, characterized by gradual increases in consumer spending, business investments, and employment rates. Governments and central banks may implement policies to stimulate growth, such as lowering interest rates or increasing public spending. The stock market may begin to rebound as investor confidence returns. However, the pace and nature of recovery can vary, influenced by factors like the recession's severity, underlying economic conditions, and effectiveness of intervention strategies. It's a period marked by optimism and rebuilding as the economy gradually returns to growth.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.